Sometimes a class period changes. Click its header to open the class period details. Here, you can change the title, the room, or indicate that the class period won't occur. When a class period is marked as not occurring, it appears grayed out for both you and your students. Changing the room or title is also reflected in the student planner. If the schedule change affects your planning, click Shift. For example, your class might be away for school photos, an assembly, or another special activity. Choose Skip Period and shift titles, tasks, and notes. Studyo automatically skips the period and moves everything to the next class period, pushing any existing content forward as needed, so nothing is lost. If you need more control, advanced shifting options are also available. And if you change your mind, you can easily restore everything to its original position.